Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing the car and getting direct access to the lamp. Park the Jetta on a flat spot, engage the parking brake, and switch the ignition off. Once done, open the trunk and peel back the cargo liner or remove 2 plastic clips to expose the tail lamp area. You'll see the brake light socket and an electrical connector. Depress the tab and unplug it so you can remove the bulb socket safely without powering the circuit. Now you'll remove the bulb socket and take the old bulb out. Grip the socket firmly and turn it counterclockwise about a quarter turn until it releases. Pull it free. Once the socket is out, pull the bulb straight out. Do not twist the glass, which can break. Compare the removed bulb with the new one to confirm type and wattage. Volkswagen Jetta 2016 typically uses a specific brake light bulb. Matching ensures correct brightness and prevents electrical issues when you reinstall it. Finish by installing and verifying the repair. Hold the new bulb with a clean cloth or gloves, oils from skin shorten bulb life, and push it into the socket until secure. Reinsert the socket into the housing and rotate clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the electrical harness. Once reassembled, close the trunk partially and have someone press the brake or use a stick to depress the pedal while you observe the light. If it doesn't illuminate, check connector seating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.